down there. There's my wife. She's ahead of me. But when we get to the bottom, I think I'm going to be happy. These old bones and muscles can feel it now. So stick with us and we're going to show you what there is to see at the bottom. So it's quite windy out here. We're heading down Watershed Road. It doesn't look quite as steep on this video as it really is, guys. I'm telling you, this wind is kicking up. And if I move over to the side here, you'll be able to see the mountains there. When we get to the bottom, we'll let you know what's going on. So as you can see, I'm catching up with my wife. She's going down just a little bit faster, but there's some trail areas down there, and hopefully there's some streams to see. There's a playground area over there for the kids. I bet this is a really pretty sight in the summertime, but oh well. We'll see what's going on right now because we're here now. We kind of made it to the bottom. Here's the waterfall to the left, the yard is to the right. I'm gonna go up to the yard, my wife and I, and when we get up here, I think it's gonna be time for a break. We're about halfway up to the yard. My question is, who in the hell is gonna sit on that bench right there? That damn thing is slanted. Look guys, you go off the mountain. That's Cheryl. I think she's gonna take a try at sitting on it. Are you gonna sit on it? I don't blame you. I wouldn't either. Woo, shit, man. Guys, I'm almost out of breath, but I made it up here to what they call the yard. Let's see what's up here. I can see a little playground area for the kids. I'm sure the kids won't have any problem making it up here, but old guys and girls like us, me and Cheryl, I don't know. Picnic table. And here's the yard. You can chill up here and look down. Let's do that. It's quite windy. So I'm at the top, looking down. There's Cheryl down there. That's a cabin. Yeah, Cheryl and I made it up here to the top. Thank God for these chairs. You can take a sit down before you go back down on the hiking trails. There's some hiking trails that are supposed to go to a waterfall and a stream. And that's what I'm looking forward to showing you guys and to see myself. Hang with us, guys. Okay, guys, look, we're going to attempt to go to the waterfall now. Whew. Basically, we got to go ahead and start up these stairs. And we'll see where it leads us to. Oh, see, boy.
That's what makes you realize, you know,
even more steps coming up. Jesus. Woo. Make you realize we are sincerely hoping that the waterfall is down this way. A lot of times the signs are not quite marked off correctly. And we end up finding out the hard way that we went the wrong damn way. We'll see. It's like wind low. Here's a sign that's telling us to the hiking trail down to the waterfall. And that's Cheryl ahead of me. But keep in mind, she's younger than I am. She can do those things. Look at this beauty. This is just something else, isn't it? Look at that. The sun's actually shining here. Christmas Day. Look at that. Peek behind the trees. We'll go to the waterfall soon to see what that's like. So guys, we made it down here. It was a long way coming from up there. but we're having a good time. As you can see, Cheryl is right there, relaxing. And the actual waterfall is over there. We'll walk over there next to the closest shop. But this has been a great Christmas. We're actually in the Smoky Mountains in Bryson City, North Carolina, having a good time. If you can do something like this at Christmas time, do it. Highly recommend it. Let's look at some other things and enjoy this tour.
Did you say fly back up? You sit on that rock.
Whoa, I'm gonna kill myself down here. What the hell is this? Oh! Someone's been down here penning for gold. Either that, a bear and a body, hopefully not. We'll put this right back. I shouldn't have put my fingerprints on it. So we found a little information deal here. This show they're waiting. They got horseshoes here. We'll go ahead and take a stab at horseshoes. The horseshoes are right here. We'll try that out. And then down here, there's like a seating area with something. You can sit overlooking the mountains. We'll go a little closer. I guess maybe you can call this some kind of a amphitheater or something like that. That's what it kind of looks like. But yeah, I guess there's seating there. Then, oh, maybe movies. Maybe they like hang a projector from here, a screen right there, and you can like watch movies out here. That's what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Look at that, guys. Take it all in. Smoky Mountains. I could stay up here forever. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.
Oh, I think this might be my spot. I think I could do it from here.
So guys, this area here is called the Yard. Let's go back here and take a look. It's pretty nice, man. This place is really, really nice. Nice things to see. Got the cornhole thing there. There's like nothing but just mountains over here. I'm gonna turn around so you can see this view. Look at that. Take it all in, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Would you like to visit this place? This is Bryson City, North Carolina. Watershed Resorts. Really nice. I highly recommend it. Look at this. Wow. Nice area for seating right here. Watch the step on the way down. We can come around down and get another look at this view. This show, relaxing, like I'll be doing in a few minutes on this nice swing, complete with ceiling fan. But yeah, This is really nice. And you can also sit right here, do a campfire, firewood provided. There's those other seats on the upper level. And look at that. Look at that. Wow. Nothing like a fire to end up the great Christmas Smoky Mountain vacation.